Good afternoon. My name is Scott, the Chief Strategic Officer at T3Live.com. Welcome to today's recap and look ahead.
观众朋友们，大家好，欢迎您收看今天的直击美股。今天是纽约时间7月26日，我是王蒙宇。美国股市指数周三小幅上涨，因为交易员看到了波音公司和 AT&T 等公司的另一乐观盈利报告。但由于投资者等来自美联储的信号，投资者等待收利。因为在此预期的2天政策会议结束之前将保持利率不变，但可能会带来提供未来增长走势的路线，并计划开始放宽平衡片。标准普尔500指数上涨幅度约为0.1%至2478点，其中11个主要行业中有7个交易较高。AT&T 公司的收益高于预期，电讯业务领先，涨幅为4.53%。纳斯达克综合指数则上涨至15点，涨幅0.2%至6427点。道琼斯指数上涨100点，涨幅为0.5%至21714点，创历史新高。在蓝筹公司中，波音公司的股价上涨近7%，同时石油期货上涨1%，早期的涨幅将近为0.9%。更多详细股市走势，请您收看 T3 首席执行官 Scott 的分析。Fed keep interest rates, Dow Jones, Nasdaq, and S&P 500 keeping up. What's the information the investors should know?
Well, every interest rate report or Fed, everyone looks around to see whether they'll raise rates. And at this point, I think the street thinks not another rate hike until March. So with that out of the way, you have to figure out the action and what groups are going to be in focus. So when the Fed is dovish, which it kind of was, you get a little weakness in the banks, and then you have to figure out if tech holds up and what the broader indices do. So if you look here at the S&P cash, overall, it's in a tricky spot. What do I mean by a tricky spot? Well, last time it broke out above here, it was a nice setup and then retested and made highs. Earlier this week, we tested it again, went again. Now we're just a little extended. Okay, here when we tested the 50-day, that was a great spot to be a buyer for a break above this descending channel. So up here, I'd be just a little bit careful putting new money to work. What we're going to have to look at is the banks. Are the banks going to hold up, or are they going to sell down? And at this particular point, the XLF had not a horrible day, but a pretty engulfing day where it did not hold yesterday's low and filled the gap. So is it still above the 8-day? Yes. Is it still above the 21-day and the trend? Yes. So we'll figure out, does the XLF hold higher in order to give some support to the overall market, or does it start to fade? So at this point, I think being very selective into the last month of the summer will be very prudent.
Alibaba and BlackRock are in the record high. Chinese e-commerce are developing so fast. What kind of stock you invest people to buy it?
Well, I think I've been on your show for over 2 years?
Yeah.
Okay, and I've been very bullish on Alibaba, and hopefully all of you are long, taking advantage of it, using different tactics to make money. We won about over JD way back when, so a lot of good e-commerce stocks to trade. I was involved again in JD, actually, 2 days ago, and I sold it today. Really nice breakout move. It's a little extended from the moving averages. If you remember, I was on your show, and I think a lot of your viewers bought JD when it cleared this spot, okay, and now look at it all the way up here. So it's been a very, very nice trade. Baba also has been unbelievable. Okay, we've been very bullish on Baba for quite some time, and here you are again. When was the last time you could have got it for a really big swing trade? That was probably right around here when I held 140 and then broke above 145. I did buy it yesterday, and I am still long it. Why? Because you had a nice breakout move, and it looks like it's ready to make a new all-time high. This has been trending above the 8-day. Very, very strong stock. Looks very good. Hopefully you guys have been in it all year and making a lot of money, and if you are, congratulations, because this has been one really good name for 2016 and 17.
Thank you so much, Scott. I think we should buy more of the tech stock, especially for the Baba.
Yes, you never want to buy too much and get uncomfortable, but it's been a very, very good vehicle for traders and investors, and hopefully I've helped you guys get involved with this name many, many points ago, because we've been talking about it since it's like 80 or 90, and now here you are, almost back at all-time highs.
以上就是今天的节目，感谢您的收看，我们明天再见。